Well, Friday was another very hot and humid day with lots of sunshine here in the Coastal Empire and Low Country. Temperatures made it into the triple digits. 100 was the high here in the city, and even now conditions are still very warm with cloud cover around 86 degrees at the airport. It feels like temperatures still in the lower 90s. We are tracking a few showers and a few thunderstorms around the southeast outside of our area, but more toward Charleston. That's where we have been tracking some heavy rain and some thunderstorm activity earlier in the evening. There's a chance that what's in middle Georgia and more into the Augusta area may hold together and give us a few sprinkles during the overnight. But other than that, it looks like it is going to be a mainly dry night for us and a very warm night with temperatures just cooling off into the upper 70s by early Saturday morning. A mix of clouds and sunshine throughout the mid-morning hours with temperatures quickly climbing into the 90s before lunchtime's high temperatures will be in the upper 90s to 100 degrees. Certainly possible for some locations. A few isolated storms are possible as well. And with the heat, there is that chance that a couple of them may become strong to severe, but the heat is going to be the main story. Once again, for Saturday, heat index values will be between 105 and 110 degrees, so we do have heat advisories in place mainly for our coastal communities tomorrow until 7 o'clock. Montgomery and Toombs County, that will be until 8 o'clock Saturday evening, and if you're lucky, a couple of those storms will start to move through your area to help cool conditions off. But we are watching a boundary moving through the midsection of the country. This will bring the risk for strong and severe storms into the southeastern U.S. The primary risk area is to our northwest for tomorrow, but we could see a few isolated stronger severe storms across our area, with wind being the main concern. Same thing for Sunday. It looks like the storms will be a little bit more widespread Sunday afternoon, and with that, temperatures will be a few degrees cooler than what we have been dealing with. Tomorrow by lunchtime, Vipercast indicates that we will have a lot of cloud cover around. Temperatures still warming into the middle and upper 90s, so around 100 degrees. And then it's going to be in the late afternoon into the early evening hours when we may see a few stray showers or storms begin to develop, but drying out largely as we head into the overnight to very early Sunday morning. And then it's going to be into the afternoon and into the early evening hours when more storms are expected across our area. It looks like we could see a couple pockets of heavy rain setting up across our area as we head into the later part of Sunday evening. And there again is that risk for a few of them becoming strong. As far as the tropics, we're pretty quiet across the Gulf, the Caribbean, and the Atlantic Basin as a whole. But as we look toward the Pacific, the reason why we're quiet is because of a strong El Nino. Very warm ocean water temperatures in the Pacific, and they actually have 4 potential storms developing over the next 5 to 7 days. No threat to land at this point, but it just shows how active it has been in the Pacific compared to the Atlantic. Thankfully, it is quiet in the Atlantic. Tonight, 78 degrees for low temperature, partly cloudy. A warm night is on the way. For tomorrow, hot and humid with those few showers and storms developing for the afternoon hours. A few of those might be on the stronger side, but it will be a gusty day even without any thunderstorms developing for the boaters. Those winds will be picking up during the afternoon hours, gusting up to around 20 knots, giving us seas around 2 to 3 feet. The water temperature at Tybee Island is up to 87 degrees, so definitely a warm ocean water temperature. As far as Sunday's forecast, storm chances increase a little bit. Temperatures will be a few degrees cooler, but more rain expected for Monday and Tuesday with below normal temperatures.
All right.
Finally.
Finally. But best advice this weekend, take it slow.
Take it slow, stay indoors, and just take it easy and stay hydrated.
All right, Scott, thank you.